This is WAEC June 2020 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 1A, and the question reads, if A is a set containing elements which are multiples of 2, B is another set containing elements which are multiples of 3, and C is another set containing elements which are factors of 6. These three sets are subsets of the universal set, and the universal set contains elements X such that y is less or equals to x and x is less or equals to 10. The question asks is to find what is A prime intersect B prime intersect C prime. That is A complement intersect B complement intersect C complement. So let's attempt to answer this very question together. Solution to the problem. What you need to do first is to write out all the elements in these four sets. When you do that, you now find what is A complement, what is B complement, what is C complement, and you can now intersect the three complement sets. So let's just begin. Starting with the universal set U, from the definition, that universal set contains element X such that y is less or equals to X and X is less or equals to 10. Simply, this means this universal set contains elements as integers from 1 to 10. So if I now write my elements in the universal set, I will now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are the elements in the universal set. And I'll go back to set A. Set A contains multiples of 2 from this very universal set because A is a subset of the universal set. So those that are multiples of 2 from this very universal set are the members in set A. And those multiples of 2 are simply 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. These are the elements in set A. Moving to set B, I'll also write the element in set B. The element in set B are multiples of 3. So multiples of 3 from this very universal set are only 3, 6, and 9. I'll move to set C. I'll write also the elements there. Set C, remember, says factors of 6. Those numbers that it can divide 6 from this universal set are the factors of 6. So the element in set C would now be 1, 2, 3, and 6. All these numbers can divide 6 without a remainder. So they are factors of 6. So next, you now find what is A complement. This is set A. You find the B complement. This is set B. And you now find the C complement. And this is set C. So starting with the A complement, remember, are all those elements that are in the universal but not present in set A. So those elements in the universal which are not in set A will now be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. The B complement will now contains members in the universal set which are not in set B. And those elements will now be 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, and 10. These are the only elements that are present in the universal but not in set B. And I will also find the members in the C complement, which are members in the universal but not present in set C. And those elements will now be 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10. These are the three complements that I will now intersect them. Intersection, remember, is referring to the common element between the three sets. Between A complement, B complement, and C complement, what are the common elements? If you check critically, you have 5, 5, 5. You have 5 common to the three sets. You also have 7, 7, 7 to the three sets. So 7 is common to the three sets and 5 is common to the three sets. So these are the only elements inside this in A complement intersect, B complement intersect, C complement. So you now write 5 and 7, and that answered the question. Let me just share with you quickly the mark distribution for this very question as it is contained in the marking scheme. The very first mark is the bonus 1 mark. You have this bonus 1 mark when you now write all the elements in these 4 sets from the universal set to down to set C. If you write all the elements correctly, you have this bonus 1 mark. The next mark is another bonus to 2 marks for writing elements in the complements of these 3 sets correctly. You have this bonus 2 marks. attempted to find the intersection of the complement set, you have this method 1 mark. And when you now have answer exactly containing elements 5 and 7, you have this accuracy 1 mark. So in total, this very question has 5 good marks.